Uh, hey guys, what's up? It's CW Gamer here, and today we are going to be programming on Notepad. Notepad of all places to program. So if you do not have a web browser and you cannot go onto your web browser and look up p5.js web editor and you're not able to program, well, I have the solution for you. Is this what font is this? This is like what, 30? And then this is like, I don't know. So today we are going to be programming on P5. Not we're going to be programming using p5.js, but we are going to be using Notepad to program. So I have no idea actually how to run code on Notepad. You know what? Let's figure it out. First I want to test how I sound. All right, perfect. So let's go here. Let's how to run code on Notepad. I never thought I'd be searching that up. How to run code on Notepad. Open a new Notepad shortcut with Control N. Here we should write C# code or program. We can save the program at a particular file location with shortcuts. Now go to Visual Studio, command prompt, and open the window. So open Notepad, key R, your Java program you want to compile and run. Is that it? Just write a program that we want to run, so open that. Next thing you know, .java. So then, command that we want to do. Oh. Okay, I sort of have an idea of what I could do. But you know what, let's just why don't I just copy and paste it into here. So programming on Notepad, let's go. So we're gonna start with creating this simple p5.js. I don't want to know being function setup, create canvas. We're gonna just create that really quick. So let's open up Notepad and function setup, and it's going to be create canvas. We're going to have it be 400 by 400 pixels. Then semicolon, boom, and brackets. Then we're going to do function draw and have this be background. But we're not going to do end brackets yet. We want to, oh wait, I need to do background color. So the background color is going to be just the default. Boom. This is what you would see in here. Function setup, create canvas. I don't know, I might want to make this a little bit bigger. Just say like 36 compared to what we're doing. And this. So now let's... Alright, so let's go in between and let's create, first let's start out by creating movements. So let's create an ellipse and, oh wait, we need to create variables. So enter, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do var x equals 200. So we're creating a variable. It's called x, and we're giving it a value of 200. Then we're going to do var y equals 200. Then we are going to do var d equals 45. Then we're going to give the ellipse these values. So x comma y comma d. So it's position on the x-axis, position on the y, position on the d, and position on the d. the size, going X and going Y. So that, and now we want to create an if statement. So if key is down, what should happen? Left underscore arrow. So if key is down, left arrow, what should happen if the left arrow is down? We should have it be X minus minus. Boom, we have our first line of code written. Well, not first line, our first if statement. If key is down, X minus minus. Now we're going to want to do that again. So if key is down, right arrow, then X plus plus. Alrighty, so now we're just going to copy and paste this. So now we can change this to up arrow and change this to down arrow. Change this to Y. Change this to Y. So let's just say I were to copy all this into p5.js and I were to paste, and then I were to press play. Boom, we would have movement. Alrighty, so let's keep this for now. And let's close this, and let's actually get rid of this. Just really quick, let's get rid of this. So now we have ellipse, alright, oh, boom. And now, let's make it follow the mouse. So instead of it being X and Y, let's do mouse X and mouse Y. So now, copy this, then, well, now if I were to do that, then it would always follow the mouse. But here's the thing. I feel like the canvas is too small, and also, I feel like it just is staying on my mouse. Like, I want it to sort of follow it. So, let's program. So let's get out of here, and let's go back into Notepad. And let's change this back to Y. Let's change this back to X. Now, first let's change this to 500 by 500. And also, I noticed I might want to change this to 250 by 250. Now we're going to make another if statement. So if mouse X, so the mouse on the X-axis, if it is less than X, so if it's less than this, what should happen? Well, let's see, it should go sort of, we want it to move left, so we're going to do X minus minus, forgot curly bracket. And now let's do this again. If mouse X is greater than X, so if it's greater than 250, then it'll be X plus plus, then boom. But now we want to do this for mouse Y and the Y axis, so let's do that. So let's change this to Y. Let's change this to Y. Also change this to Y. Change this to Y. This, and also this. So now if we were to take all this code right here, and we were to put it into P5, what would happen? Oh, wait. I only did function draw. Plus, well, that. So, let's go here. Yes, the computer was confused. What do you mean by this? So let's do this. Now it will follow the mouse with well, yeah. And even if I just move slightly, it will follow. Alrighty, and I'm glad it's not staying on there. So now, what should we have? We should have now, like, let's actually delete this. Boom, we're back to just this. What do we want to create now? What if we like, what should we create? Can't believe we're using Notepad to program in p5.js. But this works. You know what? I got a good idea. So we're going to create another variable called var s equals actually no, we're just no, not var s. So what we're going to do is we're going to code the movement again with the keys. So it's going to be an if statement. If key is down, left arrow, then x minus minus. If key is down, right arrow. Oh, wrong key. What should happen? It should be x plus plus with that, and then we're gonna copy this, then paste it, then tweak the one that we paste to up and to down, then tweak this to y. Then we're going to do another if statement, Control C. And we're doing Control V, but I don't want it to be down arrow. So let's actually go here. Let's get out of this. And let's go to key info. So I want it to be, what keys do I want it to be? So how about it's Q and E? So Q is 81. So we're gonna go to Notepad. Nope, that's not Notepad. This, and this is going to be called, instead of down, it will be 81, and it will be D++, so we'll make it grow. Then what is E? E is 69. Funny number. Okay, that's besides the point. Let's go here, and let's do another if statement, Control C. Then it's gonna 1, 2, V. Instead of 81, it's gonna be 69. It's gonna be D minus minus. Now we're gonna copy this, Control C. Then Control V, and press play. So I can move this, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. I want to change it to A and D though, so let's do A 65. So let's change this to 65. And then let's change, so that's 68. So D is 68. Why am I going here? Notepad would be 68. Again, copy and paste into this. It's big. feel like it goes too slow though. So we're gonna change that. Let's go to Notepad. So there's another way, instead of doing x minus minus and x plus plus, to make things go faster. So let's change the speed. So instead of d plus plus, we're going to do d equals d plus 10. And same for this, except it's going to be minus. So d equals d minus 10. Then same with movement, but I want it to be y equals y plus 5. Y equals y plus 5. Now what this is going to do, or not plus, this is going to be minus. What it's going to do is, instead of just moving by 1 or 2, it's going to be moving by 5. So let's change this. X equals x plus 5. X equals x minus 5. Again, copy and paste. So I can move, let's see, I can move a little bit quicker. And then the scaling. Ooh, wow, it can like, whoa, that can, I actually like that. And it moves very fast. I might want to change that to 3. But, you see, I can just do, 3. You can just do 3, 3. It'll probably move a little bit, and then maybe change this to 7. But other than that, we have some nice code. C and, well, Control V. Then, see, it moves a little bit slower, but I like that. Like, boop. Then, I don't like my size. That works a lot better. Nah, I'll make it big. Perfect. Ooh, you know what? I don't know if I know the code to this, but what if every time, like, I click, I reset the position? Maybe. But, light theme? No, no. I mean, maybe. Yeah, no, no. Dark mode. Dark mode forever. But guess what, guys? That's programming in Notepad. It's special. I never thought I'd be programming in Notepad before. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, great night, whatever time you're watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.